Hello everybody, welcome to Adam Explorer, a channel where we make Arabic fun and easy to learn. Let's begin our journey.
Lesson 3.5, Isim Mufrad, Noun of 1. Isim Mufrad is a noun that shows the amount of 1.
How to identify Isim Mufrad?
Look at the last letter of the Isim. We will show you the Mufrad, in both Isim Mudzakkar and Isim Muannath. Isim Mufrad Mudzakkar.
Oh, this is for Mufrad, in Isim Mudzakkar.
The Isim does not end with letters.
تاء مربوطة ألف مقصورة ألف ممدودة.
The Isim that shows name of male, or based on the meaning. Examples for Isim Mufrad Mudzakkar: Adaman, name of one male. Asadan, one lion. Musafiran, one traveler. The last letter does not end with
تاء مربوطة ألف مقصورة ألف ممدودة.
anta, you. Based on the meaning. Isim Mufrad Muannath.
Oh, this is for Mufrad in Isim Muannath.
The Isim that ends with letter.
تاء مربوطة
Isim that shows name of a female or based on the meaning. Examples for Isim Muannath:
عائشة
name of one female.
مسطرة
One ruler.
مسافرة.
One traveler. Anti, you. The last letter ends with
تاء مربوطة
based on the meaning.
Let's identify Isim Mufrad Mudzakkar and Muannath.
Let's identify Isim Mufrad Mudzakkar first in blue, then Muannath in red.
محسن بلاد هو بيت قلب أستاذة مريم دجاجة هي.
You have just learned lesson 5 of 7, Isim Mufrad, which is also known as noun of 1. Keep on practicing. Stay tuned for upcoming lesson 3.6.
Do support us by subscribe, like, follow, and share. Ila liqa. See you again.